Hi guys, it's Rachel here from Sons of Liberty. We miss seeing you here at the bar, and I know you're thirsty, so today I'm here to teach you how to make our fan favorite cocktail, the Tranquilizer. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our precious battle cry over here, safely put it out of harm's way. Next thing we're going to do is get rid of all this shit. Because we don't need it. Then you're going to go to our online store, purchase a bottle of our Tranquilizer, grab yourself a glass, put some ice in it, make sure you give this bottle of Trank a nice good shake, crack it open, pour, top it off with some fresh nutmeg because you fancy AF and you deserve it. Cheers, have a sip, and enjoy.
Tell them the website.
Oh yeah, our website is shop.drinksol.com.
Quiet on set.
Okay, alright. Is he dying?
Going.
Oh. Hi guys.
Action!
You, Brian, you piece of shit.